Hello and welcome to Skillful Heart. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute jar toppers. They're very similar to mug toppers, however, they are for a jar and you can fill them up with whatever you like. So for mine, as you can see, I filled them up with peppermints and I actually gave them to coworkers. So stick around and see how I made these. Alright, so first I want to start off with these little pieces of the cookies and the s'mores and all that good stuff. So I want to let you guys know that these are actually clay little sculptures that I made out of the Crayola air dry clay. And they were super easy, so please give it a try. I did do this off camera, but right now I'm just kind of painting them and showing you guys how I decorate them to make them look as realistic as possible. But these will serve as my jar toppers and kind of give it a little character and a little pizzazz, I guess you can say. Okay, so my next step is to seal in my paint work or my paint job. And I do this by applying ModPodge. This is one of the best ways to prevent your acrylic paint from chipping off of the clay. And so you want to make sure that you apply ModPodge all around on the edges and everything like that to make sure it's nice and sealed. Okay, now that all the detailing has been complete, we are now going to assemble the top of the jar, and this is before we add the spackling. So right here, I'm actually using a little foam piece that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I use my knife to kind of cut a little area for the cookie to go in, and I'm using my hot glue gun, and that's how I will secure the cookie inside of the foam. Now you can use like the floral foam if you want to, and that's kind of a little bit more softer. What I have in this video is a little bit more coarse. And same thing with this, I will use the hot glue gun to apply it onto the jar. And it's really important that you have some type of base for that cookie because it, at least mine was very kind of dense and heavy. And so when it came time for me to add the spackling without the cardboard, it kind of just sunk and it didn't have any foundation. So for me, I found it really easy to have some type of cardboard or foam or something to kind of stick that cookie inside and then work around it with the spackling. Now, as for the spackling, I did add some white acrylic paint into the mixture. and it kind of prevents it from turning yellow and different things like that, or just fading over time. It keeps that white icing type look. So here I am just piping it out with a piping bag. It looks so real. Guys, please don't eat this. But it's so cute. So keep it away from little kids who may not, understand that. But yes, and there you are. So next I am adding some decorations, and I just picked up little things that I could find randomly. So I think I found these little fuzzy balls at Walmart. Like on the end of an aisle. I'm dipping them in the brown to kind of give it like a chocolate chip look. I even off camera, if you look at into the spackling, there's like little black lines. So those are my black sprinkles, and I actually made those with rubber bands. I took rubber bands and cut them in little pieces, took my tweezers, and then applied them into the spackling. So I'm giving the effect as if it has black sprinkles. So get creative, do whatever you want. These are just some of the things that I used. All right, you guys, and here is the final look. I thought these came out so cute, and they were so much fun to make, and my coworkers love them. I think they're such a cute little gift to give away, and like I said, you can fill them up with whatever that you like or whatever you choose. I kind of decorated my display with the leftover cookies and the marshmallows and stuff like that. So do how you want. Please give it a try, and if you do, put your experience in the comments. Let me know how it went for you. Did you have any difficulties? Share whatever you can. I love to hear you guys' experience. And remember, if you haven't done so already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.